the Mizzou digital database doesn't disappoint. One quick search on the Mizzou Library website will lead you to a wide array of resources to explore. During your search, you may find that some articles require an extra step to become accessible. With different links under the titles, one of the links you'll see is labeled FindIt MU. This means the full text of the article is not available in the current database you're in, but it may be located elsewhere, or you may be able to request a copy. To see if it is available elsewhere, just click FindIt MU. This will open a new tab with access to your desired link. Click on the link to be redirected. Once there, look for the PDF or HTML icon to view or download the full text. When the text is not available through the MU libraries, you will be taken to a tab that doesn't have a website or article link. If that is the case, you will have to request the text through the ILL@MU link provided. After clicking the ILL link, log in with your student username and password. Next, you'll see a pre-filled form that includes the information about the request. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Submit Request. This will notify a librarian of what you are looking for, and once found, it'll be sent to your MU student email. Note that it might take some time before you receive your copy. Make sure you're confident in what you request to best utilize your time. Don't forget the vast options of other sources that are available with just a few simple clicks. For more information about ILL, check out the ILL@MU tutorial. For further help with FindIt MU or with other library resources, contact a staff member at Ellis Library.